Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. Today I'm going to show you our Sea Ray 290 SDX. Here we are on the bow of the SDX 290. We have a windlass, freshwater shower, speakers, armrests with forward seating. In-floor locker. You see the infinity woven carpeting. A wind gate. Here we are at the helm of the SDX 290. We have tilt steering, Simrad display, stereo system, and your controls. Here we are at the head of the SDX 290. Porcelain head with a sink. Glove box, lockable storage. Here we are in the cockpit of the SDX 290. We have a refrigerator, trash receptacle, a sink, a nice place to keep beverages and condiments cool. Over here we have a nice cooler. Here we have in-floor ski locker or storage. Here we are on the stern of the SDX 290. There's additional storage in the floor here. Remote for the stereo. 12-volt charger. Here we have the swim step. Swim step is a great place to hang out while being in the water. Thank you for looking at the Sea Ray SDX 290. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. Please contact me regarding this or any